This is how to host a PHP website on InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then add a domain. You can choose subdomain or a custom domain. We'll add a subdomain. Then we'll add a PHP website. Okay, first, PHP site. And choose a domain extension. Okay, let's say gamer.gd and click create domain. Then recreate directory. And we'll go to script installer. Then we will choose a PHP CMS, for instance, this one, PHP BB. It's a forum. So let's install this one. Then choose the domain. Okay, this one. Just choose HTTP. Then add an admin account. Let's say admin. You can name your board my PHP board, and you can add your description for your site. Then we will scroll down and we'll click install. Then open your website and your PHP website is online. So this is how to host a PHP website on InfinityFree.